So Aaron, we're here with the Bryan brothers here today. Your piping, it's a long pipe. You're in the middle, you're the double pump.
Yeah.
You're the applied compressor because obviously you don't need to blow every bit of the pipe because Colin's only up the field. Will you show us how you run the compressor, how you start it and how it works and what you need to do?
Okay, I can do that. So, turn it on.
Yep.
Then sure, we get out then. We open this valve here. There's the air on the way. Simple enough. Just rev it on up then to whatever you need. Rev up there a nice bit. The reason for blowing out the pipes is it'll blow all the slurry out, so Colin will be able to pull the pipes freely with nothing in them. They'll be a lot lighter for reeling up and moving into a different field. It'll clear the whole lines, like he'll be done there now within 10 minutes then. He's about 1,200 metres away from me. About 10 or 15 minutes he'll be blown out, ready to roll into the next field. It's a quick, simple job, makes everything a lot easier, moving pipes, don't get dirty or anything, so speeds up the process.
What would happen if you didn't blow the pipe?
It'd be a lot harder for the reelers to pull. It'd be a very dirty job, like trying to get the slurry out of it, reeling them and splitting them. Takes the whole pressure then off the pipes, we'll say. So we can go out, split the pipe, reel it up, go on to the next field.
Would it be a cost saver as well because of the pipes, they wouldn't have slurry in them when you're reeling up and dragging them?
Yes, you're not burning as much diesel trying to pull pipes around, like revving up tractors and trying to pull them.
If you were to leave slurry in that pipe there now, like is there a big difference from if it's empty to when it's full of slurry?
Yeah, there would be a lot of difference now, so there would. When it's empty, sure, it's only air, like, sure, you can pull air, you could go out and lift the pipe nearly. Compared to slurry, like slurry's a lot of weight trying to pull it around the field and it's a lot more hassle trying to do it than anything.
You would need a lot of volume and pressure to blow out one of them, the pipes. You said he's 1.2 kilometres away. Like, there could be up to nearly 4,000 to 5,000 gallons of slurry in that pipe there.
Oh, easily.
And you need all that pressure to...
Yeah.
So if you were only running a small tow behind bulky diesel compressor, she wouldn't be able to do it at half the speed of this one, would it?
No, no. Uphill as well, like when you see it up there, sure, it's a lot of an uphill push, so it is. A tow behind compressor will be under a lot of pressure now trying to do that. The tractor, like, sure, we'll say this here, 240 horsepower is driving that compressor. It's a great job. Sure, it's getting the full power to push it on up.
But you wouldn't even need this 240 horsepower, like.
Oh no, you could put a smaller tractor there and the likes of this. They're very easy and simple compressor to drive, like, it's very good now, so it is.